In the bustling streets of Baghdad, Sinbad the sailor heard the cries of a desperate father. His daughter, Layla, renowned for her beauty and kindness, had been kidnapped by an evil wizard. The wizard had spirited her away across 7 oceans to a magical island, guarded by dark creatures and treacherous enchantments. Sinbad, ever the daring adventurer, pledged to bring her back. Sinbad set sail with his loyal crew on a sturdy ship, braving the unknown waters. The first challenge came in the form of a colossal sea serpent with shimmering emerald green scales. The serpent coiled around the ship, snapping its jaws in fury. Acting swiftly, Sinbad commanded his crew to ignite barrels of oil, throwing them into the water. The flames drove the beast away, but the battle left the ship damaged and the crew shaken. As they sailed on, the ship approached an alluring island where enchanting voices lured the crew ashore. This was the home of sirens, whose beautiful forms hid their monstrous nature. Sinbad, stuffing his ears with wax, used a polished mirror to reflect their gaze. The sirens transformed into harpies, screeching in frustration as their enchantment broke. Sinbad led his crew back to the ship, narrowly escaping their clutches. On the 3rd and 4th oceans, Sinbad faced a perilous whirlpool. Rising from its center was a sea jinn, a towering entity of swirling water with glowing blue eyes. The jinn laughed thunderously as it pulled the ship toward destruction. Sinbad bargained with the jinn, offering it a golden amulet from his past voyages. The jinn, intrigued, calmed the waters but warned of even greater challenges ahead. The crew soon arrived at an island cloaked in darkness and shrouded in mist. This was the Island of Shadows, where creatures made of living darkness with glowing red eyes prowled. Armed with a magical lantern gifted by an old hermit, Sinbad cast a brilliant golden light, banishing the shadowy creatures. Pushing onward, the crew reached the wizard's fortress, a towering spire of obsidian surrounded by glowing blue vines. Inside, the evil wizard awaited, draped in robes adorned with runes that pulsed with dark energy. Layla was trapped within a crystal cage, her luminous green eyes filled with fear and hope. The wizard summoned a fiery phoenix to attack, its golden feathers glowing like embers. With quick thinking, Sinbad shattered a vial of enchanted water, extinguishing the phoenix and reducing it to ash. In a fierce duel, Sinbad destroyed the wizard's staff, shattering the cage and freeing Layla. As the fortress began to collapse, Layla revealed her secret. She was not an ordinary woman, but the guardian spirit of the island, bound by the wizard's magic. Her kidnapping had been a ruse to bring forth a champion capable of destroying the wizard and freeing her. Transforming into a radiant phoenix, Layla thanked Sinbad with a tearful smile and flew into the sky as the island crumbled into the sea. Sinbad and his crew narrowly escaped, returning to Baghdad as heroes. Though Layla could not return with him, her story and the shimmering jewel she left behind became a symbol of courage and sacrifice. Sinbad shared her tale with the people of Baghdad, reflecting on the adventure and the lessons of bravery and faith it had taught him.